In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show news on TradingView chart. Adding news to your chart is a great way to understand why price moved at a certain moment and to stay aware of headlines without leaving your workspace. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. This can be any symbol and any time frame. If you're not already on the market you want, use the search bar at the top to pull it up. The feature works the same across symbols, so choose something you regularly track to see how news aligns with your price action. Now, move your mouse over a blank area of the chart and open the context menu. On most devices, that's a right click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. This menu gives you fast access to the tools we need. From that menu, select Settings. You'll see a panel pop up that controls how your chart looks and behaves. If you ever forget this menu path, the gear icon on the chart toolbar opens the exact same settings window. Inside Settings, look to the left side and navigate to the Events section. This is where TradingView groups on-chart informational markers like earnings, dividends, economic releases, and the news options we're after. It's the central place to turn these visual cues on or off without changing your indicators or layout. Within Events, enable the options labeled Latest News and News Notification. Latest News places small markers directly on the chart at the time headlines are published, helping you connect candles to catalysts. News Notification lets TradingView alert you to new headlines as they come in, so you don't miss something important while you're focused on price. If you prefer a quieter screen, you can keep notifications off and use the on-chart markers only. When you're set, click OK to finalize your changes. Your chart will update immediately. You should see small icons along the timeline. Hover over a marker to preview the headline and click to open the full item in the side panel. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming out to include more bars, switch to a symbol with frequent coverage, or double check that the events filters are still enabled. That's all it takes. You've added contextual news to your TradingView chart, allowing you to tie major moves to the stories behind them. If the screen ever feels busy, just revisit Settings. Go back to Events and toggle the options to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy charting.